Got a 2006 Nissan Titan. Got the 5.6 liter engine, and we're going to clean the mass airflow sensor, which is the sensor right here in this duct. So first, let's see if we can get it unplugged. Looks like we need some Phillips. Pretty simple to take out. And if you're getting a mass airflow code, it's a good idea to, if you want to try to save some money, try to clean it before you replace it. I don't know if you can see that little filament in there. There's actually two. And if you're now they're delicate, so you don't want to you don't want to start sticking stuff in there. Basically all you want to do is get you some cleaner. They make mass airflow cleaner, but I've used brake cleaner and it works just fine. Brake cleaner doesn't leave any residue. And right in this slot, if you look right in here, in both these, you have a little, almost looks like a little resistor, but it's not. And those get caked up with carbon and dust and dirt and stuff, so you just, well, in fact you can see it better right through the side here. Hold on a minute, let me get a light. I think you can probably see that. And all you're wanting to do is just try to knock that dirt and debris off of those little sensors. They're basically just a coil of real super fine wire, and as the air flows past them, the air tries to cool them off. They're heated up and the air cools them off, and they're calibrated to read airflow. So that's all there is to that. And like I say, don't stick a screwdriver or anything in there to try to, really clean it, because you'll end up damaging it. And of course, you want to start it up, make sure that it's going to run good. And if that was all that the problem was, then that may fix your problem. If not, you can always just order another one and replace it. But to me, it's always worth seeing if they're just dirty and cleaning it up, because a lot of times that's the only problem, is that they're built up with dirt and grit and grime, and it's preventing the mass airflow from being able to sense an accurate airflow volume. So you clean them up, it's able to sense the volume better, and a lot of times that will actually fix a drivability problem. And worst case scenario, it doesn't fix it and you're buying a new sensor anyway. Best case, fixes your problem for free, doesn't cost you anything. So anyway, that's all I got. Make sure you start it up, make sure it runs good after you put it in. And again, don't stick screwdrivers or anything in there and start scrubbing on it. You have to be really, really careful, because that's a very sensitive piece of wire that's going across there, and very easily damaged. Anyway, you guys take care.